In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change event colors in Google Calendar. The Google Calendar is a powerful tool to organize your life by categorizing your events according to specific colors. Not only does this make your calendar visually pleasing, but it also helps you quickly understand your schedule at a glance. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to the Google Calendar website. You can simply type Google Calendar into your search engine. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the first result that appears. This will take you directly to the Google Calendar sign-in page. If you haven't already, you'll need to log into your Google account. Enter your email address in the provided field and simply hit Next. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. Type it in and click Next once again to access your calendar. Now that you're in the Google Calendar interface, let's create a new event. First, locate the Create button, which is usually found at the top left corner of your screen. Give that button a click, and this will open up the Event Creation dialog box. In this dialog box, you'll see multiple options. Focus on entering the relevant details for your event, starting with the title. This is where you give your event a name or describe what it's about, so fill that in according to your needs. Next, direct your attention to the default visibility option. Click on it to bring up a few more selections. Although it might seem unrelated, this is key to bringing up the color selection option. From here, you'll find an option to select event color. By clicking on this, a palette of colors will appear. This is where the fun begins. Scroll through the palette and find a color that represents the event you're creating. You might want to choose a color that corresponds to the type of event it is, like blue for work-related events or green for personal activities. When you've made your selection, click on your chosen color. The final step is to ensure all the details you entered are to your liking, and then click on the Save button. By doing this, you not only save the event, but also lock in your color choice, effectively brightening up your calendar with this new hue. Now, take a look at your Google Calendar. You should notice the new event appearing with the color you chose. This visual organization makes it easier to differentiate between various events at just a glance. Feel free to experiment with different colors for future events, as it can significantly enhance how you manage your time and commitments. That's it! You've successfully learned how to change event colors in Google Calendar. Keep practicing, and soon you'll have a perfectly color-coded calendar that helps you with your daily planning effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!